Hey fam, you're welcome back to another tutorial with V. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this easy turban cap. It's a really simple one, so let's get right into it. On the screen, you will see the materials needed. I'm using the stretchy poly for this one, and this is the measurement needed to get the frame, the cap frame. I'll be cutting out 24 by 14 inches, and then for the band, I'll be cutting 24 by 4 inches. Then I will take this to my sewing machine and join them together. You take this and you fold the band into two like this. Sorry, it's not showing properly. You take it to your machine and turn it and fold it into two like this with the back side, like the back of the fabric. Let me tell you, your fabric has front and back. The back of the fabric will be facing each other, and then you take it and place it on the front part of your main fabric. That's the one that's going to be forming the cap. You place that together, and then you run them through. So you literally have the front side of both the band and then the cap facing each other. Just go ahead and run this through. When you're done doing that, you take this and then you fold it into two with the front side facing each other. Then you take the other tip. When you join it like this, the edge, yes, like this, the edge of the fabric, you measure 4 inches in, mark it, and then with your chalk or whatever you use to mark, just go ahead and make a curvy line, right? Going to just join it like this, making a curvy line from the up there, from up there down to this base. Go ahead and just make a slanty curvy line. This is where you're going to be sewing, and when you're done with the sewing, you're going to do the running stitch if your machine does running stitch, so you can pull that together to have the gathers. But if your machine does not have the running stitch, you can use your sewing needle to go ahead and make the stitches, the running stitch that you can pull together to make this have a gathers there. When you're done doing that, you're going to cut out that excess, and then, like I already mentioned, use your hand needle to do a running stitch that which you can pull to make your gathers. If your machine already have the foot for running stitch, you can just go ahead and use the machine and pull that to have the gathers. When you're done with that, go ahead and just tie and then turn this over. Your turban cap is ready. This is quite easy. The turban cap is actually ready. Okay, so this is what we have here. Now, in a different tutorial, I did a video on how to join these bands together. In fact, I did a video on how to make the band itself. You can watch that video here. I'm to be showing you how to go ahead and attach the band to the turban cap. Let's assume you want to have the one together. You don't want to have the separate piece. You can actually attach it together, and you just thread your needle, take your turban cap, pass your needle through it, and then you begin to neatly sew the braided hairband on the turban cap, just at the base where you have your what's it called, where you have the band, right, joined with the cap. You just begin to sew the braided hairband to your turban cap neatly and carefully so that it doesn't look rough and it looks really, really pretty. So just go ahead and tie off your thread, cut, and you have the turban cap ready. Now, remember, if you don't want to have the braided part attached to it, you don't have to sew it. For those who want them attached, this is what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Bye.